Hi guys, I'm a final year medic and I'm going to be teaching you a hack that will help you recognize heart murmurs. This was taught to me by one of the pediatric consultants in my peds rotation and it's brilliant, so I hope this will help you as well. Okay, the first thing you need to do is get your stethoscope, and what I want you to do is to put this side into the palm of your hand, close the palm of your hands and press really hard and then go like this. Now I want you to go like this. That is what a pansystolic murmur sounds like. It's present throughout the whole systole and there's no change in sound or intensity. Next, I want you to do a V shape. Make sure this is really flat on the palm of your hand and go like that. That is your ejection systolic murmur. That's your classic crescendo and decrescendo murmur sound. And last but not least, I want you to draw circular motions on your palms, and that should replicate a machinery murmur which is seen in patent ductus arteriosus.